Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Ford F-150 XLT. Under the hood we have a 5-liter V8 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in blue. It looks awesome. You do have the Ford badging up front with your tow hooks just like right there. You do also have halogen headlights right there. They are very bright. And coming around the side here, we do have 20-inch rims with our Hankook brand tires. Lots of tread left on them, and the rims look very nice. You do have the heated exterior mirrors right there with the turning signals, and you got the running boards along the bottom. It does have a 6.5-foot box there. You do have your park sensors there, as well as your backup camera right there. You can open it up just like this. As I said, 6.5-foot box, looks great. Does have the bed liner on it, so nothing will be getting scratched up. Okay, we got our keys here, 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock, and we do have 2 presses to activate our remote start. Especially nice in the winter, get it nice and started up for you. Now, you can also unlock it here, and let's take a look on the inside. On the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. You have the controls over your locks here as well. You got a handle, you got to open it up right there. Some storage here and some more just down here. Very nice in here. It looks great, very soft. The seats feel comfortable. You do have the controls over your seats right here, so backward and forward, as well as the tilt and lumbar support. Over here we also have our mirror lights. We have our lights, so we have our on, our off, our daytime running lights, our auto. Then we also have our fog lights there. You have the button for the back, and then or back light, sorry. Then you also have your in-cabin light control. This one does move your pedals forward. And then right up here we do have the controls over our turning signals, high beams, and windshield wiper. Okay, let's start her up here. So key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now in the center here you do have your speedometer and your odometer, as well as your fuel gauge, your engine temperature. You also have your oil and all of that stuff up there. Then you do have your digital speedometer there, but we can change around to our engine info, my key status, distance till empty, transmission temperature, tire pressure, and all sorts of different options through there as well. You can customize it a lot. It does have 41,000 kilometers on it, not too bad at all, and then also which way we're facing. That is controlled from your steering wheel right here with your cruise control options, horn in the center, you have your volume up and down, your skip, your mode, all that, and then your Bluetooth options just down here as well. Now over here we do have our touchscreen display. We do also have our traction control and our hazard lights up here. You have your audio here with your sources, so you do have your AM, FM, Sirius XM, and your CD, as well as your Bluetooth. You have your phone options here, your apps, and your settings. Then down here we do have the controls over the 2-wheel, 4-wheel lock, and 4-wheel low. Your trailer back up there. And then over here we do have our volume up and down with the on and off. You have your presets, your skip, your media, your tuner there. And then you have your CD player here. You have the AC, or sorry, not the AC, the climate control right down here. So the up and down power. You have your defrosts here, circulation, heated seats. You have your rear defrost there, and then where it's going to blow out of, plus your AC, and then your heat and cold right there. Down here you do have some storage with some USB plugins. Got some storage here, cup holders, and you do have your gear shift. When you are in reverse, you have the ever useful backup camera keeping you nice and safe. In the center you do have your armrest. You got some cup holders back there. You can lift this up and you got lots of room in there for storage. And then right over here we do have a locking glove box with our owner's manual inside of it. Up top we also have some lights here, as well as a sunglass holder and a button for a little window in the back right here. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here, you do have the control over your windows. You got your handle here, some storage here, and some more right down there. Very nice in here, very spacious as well. You can lift this up, and you do have some extra room under there with a place to put something. Then you also have some plugins right over here, and to put it back down, you just have to pull this and fold it back down just like that. And there's our 5-liter V8 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2016 Ford F-150 XLT. If you want to take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.